Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we have the Infinix Hot 60i, which is pattern locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then after that, press the power key for about 3 seconds and then quickly hold on to the volume up key also. Power key for about 3 seconds, then quickly hold on to the volume up key. As soon as the Infinix logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu appears. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will completely erase all the data from your phone. As you guys can see at the bottom, formatting data, and now the data wipe has been completed. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot and this hard reset, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. It will remain on this logo for a while. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again.